pentagon has 5 sides. I am appropriately associating numerals and number words. 3.5 kilometers is 3,500 miles and considerably comparing and ordering whole numbers. If one side of a square is 7 feet long, then the area of the square is 49 square feet. I am euphorically using place value and rounding. 3 quarts is equal to 12 cups. I am intuitively identifying patterns. An umbrella is about 1 meter long. I am effectively estimating. 25th graders together weigh about 1,400 to 1,600 pounds. I am free to know about factoring in multiples. A bathtub filled with water holds about 30 gallons. I am joyfully identifying fractional parts. If a restaurant owner puts 7 rolls in a basket for each table and has baked 135 rolls, then 19 is the greatest number of baskets she can fill with the rolls. I am serenely comparing and ordering fractions and decimals. If 1 pound holds 80, then 25 pounds holds 2,000. I am conveniently converting fractions and decimals. If 32 pizzas are made into 8 pieces, then there are 256 pieces of pizza. I am utilizing number lines with decimals, fractions, and integers. If the total cost of 14 hats is $110.60, that means the cost of each hat is $7.90. I am acknowledging the application of operational properties. If she worked 4.25 hours on Thursday, 6.5 on Friendly, 11.5 on Saturday, and 9 hours on Sunday, then that means that she worked 30.25 hours in total. I am intimidating whilst identifying parts and characteristics of plane and solid figures. If he built a brick wall with 8 rows of bricks and each row was 5 inches high, that means the wall is 3 feet and 4 inches. I am relishing the experience of recognizing symmetry and congruence. If I started creating a video at 11:30 a.m. and spent a half hour uploading, 2 hours editing and 45 minutes marketing it, then I finish the video at 2:45 p.m. I am sacred and worthy while identifying points, lines, line segments, and angles. If there are 10.4 pounds of light bulbs in each crate, then there are about 300 pounds of light bulbs in 32 crates. I am ecstatically identifying transformations. 19,880 minus 4,910 is about 15,000. I am fulfilled and blissful while finding perimeter, area, and volume. If an average of 3,160 cars cross the bridge every hour, then 36,000 cars cross the bridge every 12 hours. I am properly compensated while finding elapsed time. 3/4 or 75% of 72 is 54. I am thoroughly respected while using appropriate units of measurement. If 210 jars of spirulina are made in 3 hours, then 560 jars of spirulina are made in 8 hours. I am sufficiently left while estimating measurements. If there are 10 red markers, 4 yellow markers, 6 green, 5 purple, and 5 silver, then the color of marker with the highest probability of being chosen is red. Here is a 1 in 6 probability of choosing a purple marker in that instance. I am getting my way while using scale to determine distance. 50 of 200 represents 1 in 4. I am a genius while interpreting graphs, tables, and charting. They have 6 coins, all dimes, nickels, and pennies, with 1 of each. Then the greatest amount of money they could have is 46 cents. Basic operations, estimation, logic, moderation, steps, time, proportion, multi-steps, measurement, probability. If it takes me an hour and a half to wash a room and half an hour to pick up trash from the room, then it takes me 30 hours to clean 15 rooms. I am comfortably commuting the whole number. If rubbing alcohol wipes cost $7 and essential oil lotion costs $5.50, and we buy 25 rubbing alcohol wipes and 10 essential oil lotions, that means we spend $230 on self-care items. I am healthy and healing while adding subtracting fractions. 50 times 39 is 1950. I am being worshipped and revered while multiplying fractions. 94 divided by 7 is 13 or 3. I am precisely where I want to be while adding and subtracting decimals. 580 divided by 12 is 48 or 4. I am experiencing everything I could possibly want to experience while multiplying decimals. If I sell 22 downloads on Monday, 38 on Tuesday, 47 on Wednesday, 39 downloads on Thursday, and 34 on Friday, then I sell an average of 36 downloads a day. I am 100% and undeniable capable of peacefully and intelligently accomplishing what's right for me while I find average probability in combinations. 5/6 plus 5/6 is 1 2/3. I am partying while solving simple equation 3/10 plus 1/5 is 1/2. I am receiving and attracting brave and blatant, directly relevant honesty while plotting points on a coordinate graph. 2/3 minus 1/2 is 1/6. If a store offers 5 kinds of candles, 2 kinds of incense, and 3 kinds of air purifiers, then 30 combinations of candles, incense, and air purifiers can be made. If there are 8 plaid pajamas pants, 10 silver pajama pants, 15 yellow, and 7 red, then the probability of randomly getting the silver pajama pants is 1 in 4. 1/3 times 3/4 equals 1/4. $16.75 plus $4.29 is $21.04. 3.28 plus 4.7 is 7.98. 9.1 minus 0.7 is 8.4. 5.6 multiplied by 0.4 is 2.24. $3.60 multiplied by 18 amounts to $64.80. If there were 40 books purchased in 2011, 32 books purchased in 2012, 45 in 2013, 18 in 2014, and 15 in 2015, then the average number of books purchased per year was 30. The value of y is 2 of 5 times 4y divided by 4 is 10. The value of x is 3 of 7x plus 4x minus 13 is 20. Minus the value of a 5 of minus 8 is 37. I am being acquainted with editorial familiar with teaching resources. I am up to date with the latest trends. I am content with my name. I am delighted about my address. I am frequently using a functional and valid phone number.